Thinking about launching an e-commerce store and considering your payment options? You've probably heard of Airwallex, but the big question is, what does Shopify charge you to use it? If you've been searching for a straightforward answer, you know it's not as simple as it seems. There are a few different layers of fees at play, and understanding them is crucial for your bottom line. Here's the deal. When you integrate any third-party payment gateway like Airwallex with your Shopify store, you're going to encounter two separate types of fees. The first is what Shopify itself charges, and the second is what Airwallex charges. This is where most people get confused, and where a lot of online guides fall short. So let's break it down. First, let's talk about Shopify's fees. Shopify has its own payment gateway, cleverly named Shopify Payments. When you use it, Shopify doesn't charge you a transaction fee for using a third-party gateway, because you're not using one. However, if you choose to use Airwallex or any other external provider, Shopify charges a transaction fee on top of your monthly subscription. This fee is a percentage of each transaction, and it varies depending on your Shopify plan. For example, on the basic Shopify plan, you'll pay a 2% transaction fee. Step up to the regular Shopify plan, and that fee drops to 1%. On the advanced Shopify plan, it goes down even further to 0.5%. If you're on Shopify Plus, this fee is a very competitive 0.2%. These are Shopify's charges for providing a secure checkout platform and for the integration itself. It's a key detail to remember, as it can add up quickly. Now, on top of that, you have the fees from Airwallex. Airwallex has its own pricing structure for processing card payments. For domestic cards, their fees are typically lower than for international cards. They also have different fees for various local payment methods. For example, they might charge one rate for Visa and MasterCard transactions and another for a local digital wallet. The specific rates can vary depending on your location and the type of card, so you'll need to check their official pricing page for the most accurate and up-to-date information for your region. The big benefit of using a service like Airwallex is its focus on international commerce. It allows you to accept and settle payments in multiple currencies, often at very competitive foreign exchange rates. This can help you save on costly currency conversion fees that would otherwise eat into your profits. Airwallex aims to simplify cross-border payments, but you still have to factor in their processing fees in addition to Shopify's transaction fees. So, to calculate your total cost, you need to consider two main things: your Shopify plan's third-party transaction fee and Airwallex's card processing fees. You'll pay both. Understanding this dual fee structure is the key to accurately budgeting for your e-commerce business. Make sure you check both the Shopify pricing page and the Airwallex pricing page to get a full picture of your costs. It's the only way to truly know how much you'll be charged and to ensure you're making the most profitable decision for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.